So a freaking dragonfly like flew in my hair, and I was screaming, and now Emery is screaming that she's still looking for stuff, and I'm just like, let's go. But she's like, no, and I'm like, yes, because I'm scared. And Oreo is like, I'm just chilling, and I'm like, come on, Emery, let's go. And she's like, no, and I'm like, oh my god. And Oreo is just like, yes, let's go, Mom. And I'm like, okay, we're leaving Emery. Bye, ew. See, she doesn't want to come. You see how far away she is? And she's getting farther and farther. And watch how dramatic she acts the farther we get away from her. See, I told y'all. Oh gosh, this little girl is so funny. Now back to Oreo. So yeah, me and Oreo just enjoying this little walk. It was fun. I've met a lot of people. And whoa, someone's mad. Well, look at it turning red. Oh my goodness, another one of those dragonflies. Come on, I'm scared. Man, that'll boo-boo my butt. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna smell good or something. Sorry for screaming, guys. I just don't know what's going on with all these bugs. I'm so dramatic. Look at Emery. Scared. I'm dodging bugs flying around. No one is leaving you. I need to go drink a lot of water first of all. And we still have to do our routine of riding around Dallas and seeing what it has to offer us. Oh, I'm never going to leave you, first of all. Second of all, I'm going to always make sure I protect you. It's a dragonfly right behind you. Look at it, look at it. Oh, I couldn't really get on camera. All right, come on, Em. So the park is like dead now. Because I told you to come on. Me and Oreo is ready. I'm thirsty. I'm pretty sure Oreo is thirsty too. That's why she's wobbling around. Okay, let's come this way and find some. Come on. Emery, come on. We have to take a picture for your granny, remember? Jesus. Oh, you always calling on the Lord.